What if the way you start your mornings is secretly shrinking you? Not your height, your spirit. Everyday habits that look harmless might actually be lowering your confidence, killing your drive, and making you feel small. The scary part? You probably don't even notice it happening. Think about it. You wake up, grab your phone, and start scrolling. Before you even get out of bed, you're comparing yourself to other people's highlight reels. You see their vacations, their perfect bodies, their wins, and you haven't even brushed your teeth yet. That tiny morning routine plants a thought. They're ahead. I'm behind. It's invisible, but it's heavy. This is why today's topic matters. Because your daily routines aren't just habits. They're silent messages you send to yourself. And some of those messages say, "You're not enough." But once you see them, you can break them. Let's talk about a few routines that secretly make you feel smaller and how to take your power back. First, the scroll and compare routine. You already know this one. Phone in hand. Endless feed. You tell yourself it's just a few minutes, but your brain is downloading a list of everything you don't have. Money, looks, lifestyle. Every swipe is like a quiet whisper. You're not doing enough. The fix isn't complicated. Keep your phone out of reach when you wake up. Give yourself 30 minutes to be a human before you become a screen. Start the day with your thoughts, not someone else's. Second, the silent surrender routine. It's when you wake up and let the day push you around. No plan. No intention. You just react. Emails decide your mood. Traffic decides your patience. Other people's problems decide your priorities. By night, you feel drained, but strangely empty, like the day happened to you. Here's the truth. When you don't lead your day leads you. A simple morning ritual, writing 3 things you want to focus on, can flip this. It's not about doing more. It's about telling yourself, I matter. My time matters. Third, the apology habit. You might not even hear it anymore. Sorry when someone bumps into you. Sorry for asking a question. Sorry for existing in someone's space. It feels polite, but it trains your brain to believe you're always in the way. Replace sorry with thank you. Instead of sorry I'm late, say thanks for waiting. Tiny shift, huge power. You stop shrinking. You start owning. Fourth, the comfort cycle. This one is sneaky. It's the routine of staying safe. Same routes, same foods, same conversations. Comfort feels good, but too much of it tells your subconscious, I can't handle new things. And that thought shrinks your world. Break it with small acts of courage. Take a different path to work. Order the dish you can't pronounce. Speak up in the meeting. Every small risk tells your brain, I can handle more than I think. That message grows you. These routines might look harmless, but they add up, and every day they quietly decide how big or how small you feel. The good news, you don't have to fix everything overnight. Change starts with noticing. Catch the scroll, write the plan, swap the sorry, try the new thing. Each one is a vote for a bigger, bolder you. Remember this. Your daily routines are not just habits. They are proof of how you see yourself. And you deserve routines that remind you of your power, not your limits. So here's my challenge to you. Pick one of these habits today. Just one. Break it. Replace it with something that makes you feel alive. Then come back and tell me in the comments what you chose. Your story might be the reason someone else finally takes action. If this video woke something up in you, hit like. Share it with a friend who needs the reminder. And subscribe for more conversations that help you grow. Because you're not here to feel small. You're here to take up space.